Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. A lot of new people have joined me. I am so grateful. I hope you enjoy what I do here. Now, that being said, today's video is going to be about how I style my hair because that is the most requested video message on my Instagram. Everybody's asking me about how I style my hair, so I thought I should make a video. Why not? Right. So, without wasting a lot of yours and my time, let's get straight into the video. Now, I use a Dyson to style my hair. Don't come at me कि प्रीति हमारे पास Dyson तो है ही नहीं क्या भाई हमें नहीं चाहिए. I understand. I have recently purchased this and this is a gem. But देखो यार Dyson it is really good, no doubt, but there are other styling tools ठीक है in the market which are more or less like this. तो आप उनको ले सकते हो. The styling process is the same, right? But still, for those of you who have a Dyson, I hope this video helps. For those of you who do not have Dyson, this is your sign to just save up some money and just work hard and buy a Dyson. That being said, it is not necessary at all. I bought it pure out of my own will because I love my hair and just I wanted this, so I could afford it, तो मैंने ले लिया. ये नहीं कि Dyson लूंगी, नहीं भाई, पहले बैंक अकाउंट में होने चाहिए पैसे, enough, then you can invest, whatever your call. Too much oversharing. Getting into the video. First step is to dry your hair. मेरे बाल already इतना बक करके dry हो चुके हैं, but still you know what, I don't really think I need to dry my hair. These are 80% dry, if you can see. इतने में ही you have to use the barrel because I'll be curling my hair, right? I could also blow dry. What I do, there are two ways. आप पहले blow dry कर लो, उसके बाद आप curl भी करो, तो उससे क्या होता है, voluminous and bouncy look आता है. बट इफ़ यू जस्ट गो बाय ब्लो ड्राई, उससे क्या होता है, आपके बाल स्टाइल तो हो जाते हैं बट दे बहुत ही चिपके से इन द लॉन्ग रन, विच आई डोंट रियली लाइक. सो आई लाइक टू यूज अ कर्लर. लेट जस्ट use the curler. Also, I have this habit of combing my hair every now and then, just in case no one told you. Although अभी आपको इतना नहीं करना चाहिए, but I am very gentle with my hair. बट वो टैंगल नहीं होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज स्टाइलिंग में प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो इट्स बेटर इफ यू कोम्ब योर हेयर. एटलीस्ट आई लाइक टू डू इट. सी, सो मच बेटर. Okay, so I have decided that I will first blow dry my hair, like ऊपर से, ताकि थोड़ा सा शेप में आ जाए, and then we'll go with the color. Okay, so first, so we have this blow dry वाला brush. This is the body and इसको just आपको यहाँ पर adjust करना होता है ऐसे, ठीक है. It is pretty easy. डन. अगर इसको आपको अनहुक करना है तो ये जिस अनहुक का यहाँ पर एक बटन है, इसको हम नीचे करेंगे, ये अनहुक हो जाएगा. फिर आप दूसरा बैरल या जो भी इक्विपमेंट है वो लगा सकते हैं. ओके, स्विच ऑन भी करना होता है. नाउ एज आई सेड कि हम ऊपर से इनको सिर्फ, ओ माय गॉड, एज आई सेड हम ऊपर से इनको शेप देंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव मच ऑफ, एंड इट इज़ नॉट रियली रिक्वायर्ड ऑल्सो कि आप पहले पूरा अपने बाल अच्छे से ब्लो ड्राई करो फिर कर्लर करो. नो, हल्का हल्का जस्ट ब्लो ड्राई कर लो ताकि वो शेप में आ जाए. ओके, कैन यू हियर? स्विच अच्छे से लगा नहीं था, मेरी तो फट गई थी गाइस. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव गॉन टू सलोन्स, राइट? आपने देखा होगा कि कैसे भैया आपके बाल जब ब्लो ड्राई करते हैं तो जूम जूम जूम, ही इज बैक टू बैक वो आपके बालों को घुमा रहा है. दैट इज द की. जस्ट नोटिस व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर एंड यू विल सी व्हाट आई मीन. ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर, प्रेशर से थोड़ा नीचे, क्या, नीचे, थोड़ा ऊपर, फिर नीचे, दिस, प्रेशर, ऊपर, and see, so much better. This is exactly what we want. Just shape. Okay, Moving on, let me just do all of my hair. Then it's time to curl. कहीं ना लगे मन क्या है ये सुरापन. Okay, we are done blow drying our hair. See, अब मैंने ये बहुत अच्छे से नहीं किया. This is what like 40% of what I actually do when I actually blow dry my hair. Now it's time to curl our hair. So इसमें दो barrel आते हैं, एक thick one, एक thin one. We are using the thick barrel because हमें loose curls चाहिए. You know, just adjust it. Adjusted. Again, section your hair and then just go. इसमें you have to be more careful with your hair and the partition because अच्छे से करना है because this is the final part, you know, where you are curling your hair, so it has to be neat and good. But I don't really do neat because it takes a lot of your time, man. You don't have that much time, you know. इतना वक्त किसी के पास नहीं. So अब देखो एक partition ऐसे कर लिया, ठीक है. Yeah, we can still let this go अभी के लिए. Now we have to start with this section, okay? Starting with the पीछे से. I am no expert of how to use a Dyson, okay? This is just my very few times, first few times. So just, you know, be with me. Now, the trick for your curls to stay is first you give them hot shot, ठीक है. 10 seconds का आप hot shot देते हो. Hot shot means आपका fan full पे है, आपका heating mode full पे है. Then you curl your hair. 10 सेकेंड होने के बाद you on the cold shot, मतलब कि जो ये हीटिंग वाला मोड है इसको आप एकदम डाउन कर देंगे, एकदम नीचे. तो अब जो हवा आएगी वो ठंडी आएगी, कोल्ड होगा, तो जब ये कोल्ड शॉट. तो उसके बाद आपको इसको नीचे करके 15 सेकेंड तक रखना है, वो कोल्ड शॉट लगेगा. एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू रिलीज. ओके, लेट मी शो यू. ओके, नॉर्मल. See, 10 seconds, okay? 1 hot shot. ये हीटिंग वाला मोड है, आई थिंक. हाँ, इसको नीचे करेंगे. ओके, नाउ यू स्टे फॉर 15 more seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 7. And you release. See? So cute! This is very cute. Cutie! Now let me do this section of hair fatafat se, because this takes a lot of time and I can't show you everything, but you know how to do this, right? So okay, so we are almost done. Patience मैं दिखाऊंगी अभी. But first let's just style आगे वाले hair. ये जो ये वाला partition है ना, I don't like to curl them because वो आगे से I don't like. तो मुझे natural ही अच्छा लगता है, you know, flowy. तो उसके लिए इसको style करने के लिए we'll use the blowout brush. Again, you know, you have to dismantle the barrel, unhook the barrel, and now then we'll attach the blow dry one. Okay, done. Okay, taking a you go back. Taking these hair, let's just comb them thoda sa. Again, you know what I told you, combing up करते रहेंगे तो it will be nice. अरे पीछे जाना यार, कसम से यार. Sorry guys, that was too harsh. Okay, now again heating mode पे कर रहे हैं हम उसको full, ठीक है? Now just blow dry. And we'll stay like this. By the way, इससे बहुत the heat भी produce होती है, so be careful. I have no clue कि इसको अंदर को करना था कि बाहर को करना था, but मैंने अंदर को कर दिया है, तो let's see. Yeah, nice. Okay, show time. See, I mean, see again, these are loose curls, okay? अगर आपको proper curls चाहिए तो we have the thin barrel, but this is for the loose curls because I like this look only. And अभी भी ये कुछ time बाद it will get settled down, वो और खुलेंगे, so my hair will go back to normal, but at least they will stay in shape until the next wash, you know. But इतना जो ये bouncy लग रहा है, it will not stay for more than a day. So yeah, see, so pretty. Oh come on, bro. See the bounce and the shine. The next step is to put on some oil, you know, जो frizz free हो और आपके बालों को shiny रखे. So for that I've been using this Rusk का hair elixir है ये, okay? It is really nice. मैंने अभी तक I think ये 8-10 बार यूज़ किया होगा. Do this and just put oil, ये जो है हल्का हल्का, जो हल्के हाथों से with your loose hands, okay? Because इससे जितना भी frizz and all है वो सब चला जाएगा. Okay, yeah. So it will give you that shine and it will keep your hair and lengths healthy and shiny and frizz free. So yeah. And we are at the end of the video. I really hope you liked this video. It took me almost 2 hours to shoot this. You better like this. But honestly, let me know if this helped. And yeah, let me know what should I create next. Thank you for watching.